Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to buy BNB on MetaMask using GCash. Open MetaMask and confirm your wallet address, then open your GCash app to prepare a transfer. Use a trusted exchange or P2P service that accepts GCash and send funds to that service. Once the exchange credits you with a token or BNB, add the correct BNB network to MetaMask and import the token to see your balance. Start by unlocking MetaMask and verifying your receiving address for the BNB network. Next, pick an exchange or P2P platform that lists GCash as payment and verify seller ratings. Initiate the buy, then complete payment from GCash using the exact details provided. After the seller releases funds, import the BNB token contract into MetaMask or switch to the BNB network to view your tokens. Double-check fees and confirmations throughout. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: I use the Oala water bottle to stay hydrated anywhere, and it keeps my desk tidy during long sessions. It's handy for spills and fits most cup holders, so it's perfect when you're focused on trading or tutorials. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Protect your funds by confirming every address and network name before sending money from GCash or your exchange. Enable two-factor authentication on all related accounts and never disclose your MetaMask seed phrase to anyone. Prefer sellers with strong reputations and clear verification steps. Start with a small test transaction to confirm everything works as expected, then proceed with larger amounts once you are confident in the process and confirmations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.